Hi, I want to talk to you about the Forex Target Trader. It's an EA that I think will increase your profitability after a quick and easy learning curve. And I'm going to explain to you what it is first by telling you for sure what it's not. First and foremost, this is not a typical expert advisor that will claim to automatically make you money while you do nothing. There are hundreds of these out there on the market, and if you're on distribution lists for this industry, you probably get pounded with offers for all kinds of ridiculous claims on what these things are supposed to do. If you've tried a number of them, you've found out that almost all of them are just sales leaders to get you to buy into some sort of a training program. It's also not a program that's going to generate indicators or signals for you telling you when to buy or sell. This program does not take your system and your method of trading out of the equation. It's not even a system of trading. In a system of trading, you're given rules of what to look for a setup, when to get in, when to get out. Forex Target Trader is not a system of trading. You're going to use your own system, your own methods. You're just going to use lines to help increase your precision and discipline. Forex Target Trader is a very easy to use tool that you can incorporate into your current trading system to give you the discipline every trader wishes they had. Have you ever thought, I think I'd be a better trader if I could have just waited for that setup to happen, or if I could have just stayed up through the night and made sure I tracked this trade right, or if I could have just had the discipline to get out when I know I should have instead of hoping it would come back? I have rules, why can't I stick to them? The Forex Target Trader is going to help you with all of that. And also, it's going to save you a lot of time, because if you currently use horizontal support and resistance lines or diagonal trend lines in your trading, to help you make decisions, this tool should improve your profitability and save you countless hours of watching your trades, waiting for that magic moment when you're supposed to enter or exit. And if you don't already use lines, most systems out there with rules of entry and exits can be enhanced to get your exit and entry points refined if you use lines to help you manage the trade. That'll help your overall profitability as well. You can use horizontal or diagonal lines to help you plan your trade and trade your plan. You've heard that cliche many times, but it's true. However, what you might not realize is planning the trade is the easy part. Whatever your system is, whatever your method is, you can plan a trade, and it always looks great on paper until sometime after you hit the enter button. Trading the plan is the hard part because typically these mistakes are made by almost everyone, especially novices. We lose patience waiting for our entry setup. We get in before we should. We lose patience waiting for our target profit, and we get out when we should be staying in. We don't take some early profits to reduce risk early on in the trade. A profitable trade can turn into a losing trade. We can second guess the plan that we started with when the price starts to move against us a little bit, either immediately or somewhere along the way. We don't wait for candles to close before taking action. If our method depends on waiting for a candle to close before we make a decision, if you don't do that, you can see a candle just reverse on you and turn into a big long wick turning into the other direction. And a big one is we don't always take the time to calculate the correct lot size to keep our risk limits where we want them. If we move the stop loss a little bit and don't adjust the lot size down, we've increased our risk probably beyond what we meant to. So keeping that very consistent and well disciplined right at the moment you place the trade is what this tool will help you do, and I'll show you all that. Okay, I've touched on a couple of these, but I want to just give you a list of the reasons you're going to want to use this tool. The Forex Target Trader can help you manage your pending or open orders while you're not watching. It can help you adjust your stop losses through time if you're using diagonal lines and some of the techniques we'll talk about. It'll help you take profits early and move your stop loss line to break even so that you capture early profits and cut your risk very early in the trade. It'll trail stops for you in several different ways. And let me say, these are options. You don't have to have all these features employed. Pick and choose what you like. It'll calculate the proper lot size right at the moment of trade entry based on your equity and your stop loss distance to give you the level of risk you want. It'll help identify your risk-reward ratios when you're setting up your take-profit lines and show you on the chart where you would need to be if you wanted a 1-to-1 ratio and that sort of thing. Give you the patience to wait for candles to close if that's the way you trade. It'll keep your pending orders virtual, meaning your brokers can't see them, so that right up until the trade enters, it's just between you and your computer where that order is going to take place. That keeps your brokers from playing games with you. And it'll alert you by email when a trade entry or an exit has taken place. So if you're not with your computer, you can get a message on your cell phone or however you get your email to let you know that a trade has taken place. So you can use the Forex Target Trader to help you set up and manage your trades and keep your life by not staring at the computer all the time. Break that habit. You'll increase your discipline and your profitability by making you stick to your plan and trade your plan. It'll help you manage your trade sizes and maintain the risk profile that you have set for yourself, and it'll help you stop second guessing yourself when it's time to pull the trigger to get in or out of a trade. Please watch the rest of the instructional video so you get an idea how to use this tool very quickly, and then I think Forex Target Trader will quickly become a tool you use in your daily trading.